Okay, let me introduce our smart lock of K9S. Now this is the package of the smart lock. I'll open the box. This is the outdoor part. This is the indoor part and the outdoor part. And this is lithium battery. This is the install part and the key and the install part. Now first I should install the battery on the smart lock. This is key and the install part. This is the IC card. And this is the lock body. This lock body is 6068 types. This is fit to our smart lock. And this smart lock have two-year up. You see, 2-year up can connect it to 2-year up, and you can control the smart lock with 2-year up. The first, I should connect the smart lock. The first, the front and the back part together, so it can work. Now this is a screen of the smart lock. The smart lock has an electric catch eye, so you can see the customers on the outdoor from the indoor screen from here to see who is behind, who is in front of your door. The door has 4 ways to unlock. The first is fingerprint. Fingerprint unlock.
Welcome home.
And second is password. The password unlocks the door.
Welcome home.
And third way is card, IC card. You can put the IC card on the screen.
Hello. Welcome home.
The third way is key. You can use key to unlock this lock. This is a 4-way to unlock. And this lock is made of aluminum alloy. Please see, this design is a very fashionable design. This is the material, aluminum alloy. This is the handle, indoor handle, and the indoor open and close key. And it's very important since it is can connect to 2-year up. Can use 2-year to control this lock. 2-year is a very wide use. in our size. So this is all our smart lock K9S. Thank you for saying.